Hey guys, today is a very exciting review. I bought slimes from ohmyslime finally, and I think I bought this yesterday. No, I bought this on Thursday on 11/11, and it came today, so the shipping is super fast. Now let's open it. It came in this really pretty holographic flyer. I've never received flyers like this because they're kind of expensive, so I'm really glad I got this. Now let's open it. So I didn't even have to cut it because it's easily open. Now let's see. Aw, I got it squishy. I don't know, it's like plushy. Okay, these are let's just take everything out first. Oh, okay, I got 2 slimes and 2 scents because I kind of want to try the new scents. Wait. Okay, so I bought this scent. Let's unwrap it. I'm gonna go grab my scissors. So as you can see, everything is bubble wrapped really well. Doesn't break at all. Because I think the seller used like sturdy containers. But you cannot find in Malaysia. I've been searching for it everywhere, but so these are candies. I love cola candies. And the scent that I bought, sweet bread. Let's do a smell test. It smells really yummy. So look forward to this scent in my slime, guys. Got free gift, a avocado like plushie. I think it's keychain. Yeah, let's open this slime. I actually bought 2 slimes, I think. Was it only 1? Oh yeah, I bought 3. Wait, I have to check. Wait. Okay, so I checked that I bought 2 slimes and 2 scents. So this one is durian cream puff. Oh, it feels so heavy, guys. Oh god, I love the containers. I'm so glad they made a sale so I can buy. And I'm so glad I snatched it because at first I didn't want to snatch it because I am broke this month. But the deal was so good, so I have to snatch it. Oh. Ooh, it's in hollow packet. Okay, I'm so excited. This one is hot buttered popcorn, and this one is avocado spread. Wait a minute. Wait. Okay, so I actually ordered hot buttered popcorn and 1 random slime. So it's either 2 of these. Oh my god, the durian cream puff feels really heavy, guys. It's so heavy. Like this one is really light. This one is super like kind of heavy. This one is like medium weight. And then avocado spread. So I'm not sure which one is the random slime because I actually ordered 2 scents, sweet bread and avocado cream. So I'm not sure if this is like the replacement. I'm not sure. But I messaged the seller and I'm waiting for them to reply back. So I'm just gonna open this one for now, just in case there's some like technical errors. So let's open the extras first in this really cute bag. Ooh. So I got some borax, some more candies, and then slime care sheet. It's super like detailed. Yay! Now let's open it. I'm so excited. I've been eyeing ohmyslime for so long. Next time she restocks, I'm definitely gonna go for it instead of just hesitating like I always do. Okay, so this is buttered popcorn. It's sealed. I think it's sealed. Yeah, it's sealed. So let's open it. Yes. This shall be my second microfloam slime. The first microfloam I tried was from Slime Bangao. Okay, I'm gonna shut up now so I can film this. Oh my god, it smells so good! Ugh! Hey guys, so I would give this slime a 10 out of 10 because the smell is so good. I wish you could smell it because it's so yummy. It's like really sweet but also salty, and it's so crunchy and it inflates so much. This one is number one in this bucket, my favorite. So I realized there's like little corn and popcorn inserts inside, so it's really nice. Oh my god, this slime is so good. It smells so delicious and I really like sweet scents. Dah macam hidup gam dah. Asyik I keep smelling it. So good. And there are no bead fallout at all, as you can see. It's more like half bloom, I guess. Okay, let's put it back into the container. I really love the container. Look, it's so cute, and the sticker as well. So it did inflate. Yay! So that's the first slime from ohmyslime. Next, let's try and open avocado spread. Next is avocado spread. This slime is a butter snow slime. I've never felt butter snow slime before, so it's definitely a new texture and I really like it. It's quite thick but also sort of creamy, but not too creamy that it melts in your hands, if you get what I mean. Like, it's quite thick. It feels like creamy dough. I think that's the correct description. I really love the avocados add-ins. It looks so cute. This slime inflates so much, so I had to separate it in another container. I didn't expect it to inflate so much. It inflates in like 5 minutes, or maybe like 2 minutes of playing. So this one is really nice. And the smell is really strong, but I cannot really... It said that it smells like matcha and avocado cream, but it smells more like... I don't know how to describe it. To me, it smells kind of like a flowery, fragrant scent. I'll give this slime 9 out of 10. Next is durian cream puff. This slime is described as a wheat texture, which is a new texture, so obviously I've never tried it before. I think there must be like good amount of snow in it. It felt like a smoother or like thinner texture than avocado cream. It's not too thick, but it inflates a lot, like it's super airy and it gets really bubbly really fast too. I really like the scent. It doesn't smell too strong, so even if you don't like durian scent, I think you can tolerate the scent because it smells more like a sour yogurt with a really faint durian scent. So I give this slime 8 out of 10. That's all for this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment which slime shop I should review next. Bye.